Imagine having 12,000 followers posting every single day and checking your phone only to find nothing. No inbound leads, no sales calls, just a digital ghost town. This is the reality for most creators today. They think more content is the answer. They double down on the hustle without fixing the underlying system. But more content on a broken system just breaks it faster. You need a predictable revenue system. Phase 1 is positioning. Most people sound like an echo in a room full of experts. They're invisible because they're generic. We shifted our clients from offering services to delivering clear outcomes. We stopped selling the hammer and started selling the house. That clarity changes how people perceive your value instantly. It's the difference between being a commodity and being the authority. Next is your offer. A great offer doesn't just describe what you do, it defines the path to success. It needs to be so clear that it converts without effort. If your prospect has to think about it, your offer isn't clear enough yet. Complexity is the enemy of conversion. When you simplify the next step, you remove the friction from the sale. Phase 3 is the funnel, but not the 10-page website funnel you're thinking of. We built a simple, direct path. Content creates the attention, the DM builds the belief, and the call secures the conversion. It's a human-to-human system. In the DMs, you aren't selling. You're qualifying. You're ensuring that the person on the other side is actually someone you can help. By the time they book a call, the sales job is 80% done. They already believe in your framework. They're just looking for the implementation. But how do you drive that funnel? Phase 4, the content mix. Most people fall into the 100% value trap. Value is great, but value alone makes you a teacher, not a solution. We rebalance the mix to move people emotionally. Authority content shows why you're the one to solve the problem. It highlights your unique perspective and your specific results. Objection content calls out the doubts your prospects have before they even speak to you. It builds trust through radical transparency. And conversion content gives them the permission to act. It's the bridge from being a fan to being a client. That mix is the driver. Within 30 days of implementing this framework, our clients see their calendars fill, not with likes, but with qualified prospects. This isn't about magic tricks or secret algorithms. It's about fundamental marketing strategy applied with absolute precision. When you solve a real problem for a specific person, you don't need to shout for attention. You simply invite them into your world. If you're tired of being a content creator and you're ready to be a business owner, let's talk. We've built the system. You just need to run it. Click the link below, book your strategy call, and let's see if we can build your predictable revenue system together. I'll see you on the call.